Hello guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to verify Bigo Live accounts. So the first step you have to take is to log into your Bigo Live. The next step is mail icon found at the bottom of your screen. Tapping on it, you just have to. It will take you to this phase of a Bigo Live where you have to tap at the person icon found at the top right corner of your screen, which is the second icon there. So when you tap on it, it's going to take you to this phase of your Bigo Live. You're going to see at the top right corner, you're going to see two icons. You just have to tap on the second one, which is the profile icon. Tapping on the second icon is going to take you to this phase of your Bigo Live where you have to tap on the real person authentication. Tapping on the real person authentication is going to take you to this phase of your Bigo Live, which is this. You just have to tap on activate authentication, agree, confirm, tap on confirm all of this time, then place your face on the circle there. Make sure there is enough light in the room that you're making use of, and obey little instructions like open your mouth and so on. So you can see that my authentication has been completed successfully. So guys, that is it on how to verify your Bigo Live on. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share